Alright, so update on that wiper blade, the Pilot GTR wiper blades. I'm gonna show y'all what happened. I was driving this morning and it was raining. Turned the blades on, I turned the wipers on, and then I see this line just like flicking back and forth. Long story short, it's a piece of the blade. So I don't know how that happened, but the blade is just ripped. Like, it's just hanging there, ripped right off. I don't even know if I can fix that, but no, I don't think I can fix it. Yeah, it's just messed up. Yeah, so the Pilot GTRs I had on for a month or whatever, whenever that last video was made, and already the other one seems to be fine. It's doing its job, but this one right here, nothing. It's just shredded. Trash. I only got them because I like the freaking carbon fiber look. And I didn't see any other blades, any other like carbon fiber blades. So I guess I gotta go hunting again.